Imagine this: you wake up, look around your room, and everything you see teaches you English. Your coffee mug, your phone charger, even your messy desk.
Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. You don't need to travel abroad or take expensive classes to immerse yourself in English. You can create an English environment right where you are.
And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're showing you how to transform your entire surroundings into an English learning machine.
Let's make English unavoidable.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TalkFluent. I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. Welcome back to TalkFluent. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button because we make English easy, fun, and natural.
So here's something most people don't realize: your environment shapes your brain. If you're surrounded by your native language all day, your brain stays in that language. But if you intentionally change your environment,
your brain adapts. It starts thinking in English naturally, without effort.
Exactly. And the best part? You don't need to move to London or New York to make this happen. You can do it right now, from your bedroom.
Today, we're breaking down exactly how to build an English immersion environment at home. We'll cover your physical space, your digital world, your daily routines, everything.
And trust me, these aren't random tips. These are strategies that actually changed how I learn English.
So grab a notebook if you want, or just watch and start applying these immediately. Ready?
Let's transform your world.
Your physical space. All right, first step, your physical space. This is where you spend most of your time, so let's make it work for you.
Here's what you do: label everything. And I mean everything.
Sticky notes are your best friend. Grab a pack, write English words on them, and stick them everywhere.
Your mirror? Put mirror on it. Your door? Door. Your lamp? Lamp. Sounds basic, but here's why it works.
You see these words dozens of times a day. Your brain absorbs them without trying.
After a week, you won't need to translate refrigerator in your head anymore. You'll just know it.
Now, level 2. Add action words. On your light switch, write turn on and turn off.
On your trash can, throw away. On your closet, hang up and put away.
This teaches you verbs in context, which is how native speakers actually learn language.
And here's a pro tip: change the labels every 2 weeks.
Yes, because once your brain gets too comfortable, it stops paying attention.
So keep it fresh. Add new words. Add phrases. Add full sentences if you want.
Your room becomes a living textbook.
But way better, because you're actually using it.
Your digital world. Okay, next, your phone, your computer, your entire digital life.
This is huge, because most of us spend hours on our devices every day.
So first, change your phone's language to English. Right now.
I know, it sounds scary. What if I can't figure out my settings?
You will. And here's why this works. You already know what these buttons do. You're just learning what they're called in English.
Exactly. You're not learning random vocabulary. You're learning the words you actually use.
Same with your computer, your tablet, any device you use regularly.
Now, social media. This is where it gets really powerful.
Follow English speaking accounts, not English learning accounts, actual native speakers.
Follow chefs if you like cooking. Follow gamers if you like gaming. Follow comedians, artists, whatever interests you.
Because then you're learning English through things you already care about.
Your brain doesn't feel like it's studying. It feels like entertainment.
And change your YouTube settings, your Netflix, your Spotify.
Consume content in English. Watch shows with English subtitles, then without.
Listen to English podcasts while you commute, while you exercise, while you cook.
The goal is simple: make English impossible to avoid.
Your daily routines. All right, let's talk about routines. Because here's the secret.
Habits create fluency.
Exactly. If you narrate your day in English, even silently in your head, you train your brain to think in English.
So here's what you do: morning routine in English.
You wake up. In your head, you say, I'm waking up.
I'm stretching.
I'm getting out of bed.
Sounds weird, right? But this is literally how kids learn language.
You're training your brain to translate your actions into English automatically.
While you're brushing your teeth, I'm brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is minty.
While you're making breakfast, I'm cracking an egg. I'm turning on the stove.
It feels awkward at first. But give it a week.
And suddenly you're not translating anymore. You're just thinking in English.
Now, if you live with someone, try this: set an English hour.
1 hour a day where everyone only speaks English.
Doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Just speak.
And if you live alone, talk to yourself.
No, seriously. Talk to yourself.
Describe what you're doing, what you're seeing, what you're feeling.
It's not crazy. It's effective.
Your input sources. Now, let's talk about what you consume. Books, music, videos, everything.
Because passive exposure matters. A lot.
So if you read, switch to English books. Start simple, children's books, young adult novels.
Harry Potter in English is way easier than a Charles Dickens novel. Don't jump into the deep end.
And read things you've already read in your language.
Yes. If you've read a book before, you already know the plot. So you can focus purely on the English.
Music. This is my favorite.
Mine too. Find English songs you love, pull up the lyrics, sing along.
Your pronunciation improves, your rhythm improves, and it's fun.
Podcasts are gold too. Find ones about topics you're passionate about.
Because if you care about the content, you'll push through even when it's hard to understand.
And here's a bonus tip: audiobooks.
Listen while you read along. You're training your ears, and your eyes at the same time.
It's like a cheat code for language learning.
Your social environment. Okay, this one's big, your social circle.
Because languages are social. You learn faster when you're actually communicating.
So find people to practice with.
Language exchange apps, online communities, local meetups.
And don't wait until you're good enough. Start now.
Make mistakes. Sound awkward. Nobody cares as much as you think they do.
Everyone learning a language goes through this. It's normal.
Join English Discord servers, Reddit communities, Facebook groups.
Participate. Comment. Post. Even if it's just one sentence.
Because every interaction builds confidence.
And here's something powerful. Find an accountability partner.
Someone learning English too. Check in daily. Practice together.
You motivate each other, correct each other, grow together.
It transforms learning from a lonely struggle into a shared journey. Your mental space.
Last one, your mental environment.
This is about mindset because, honestly, that's half the battle.
Stop saying I'm bad at English. Stop saying I'll never sound native.
Your brain believes what you tell it. If you say you're bad, you'll stay bad.
Instead, I'm improving. I'm learning. I'm getting better every day.
Celebrate small wins. Understood a song lyrics? That's progress.
Had a 5-minute conversation without switching languages? That's huge.
Track your progress. Journal in English about what you learned today.
And give yourself permission to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're trying. They're proof you're pushing yourself.
Fluency isn't perfection. It's confidence plus practice.
So, be patient with yourself.
You're literally rewiring your brain. That takes time.
Okay, let's recap everything fast.
Transform your physical space, labels everywhere. Change your devices to English. Narrate your day in your head.
Consume English content you actually enjoy. Find people to practice with. Fix your mindset.
The goal isn't to study harder. It's to live in English.
Make it so normal, so constant, that your brain has no choice but to adapt.
And here's the truth, this works. Not because it's magic.
But because immersion is how humans learn languages naturally.
You're not in an English-speaking country? Create one yourself.
All right, that's it for today. We hope this gave you some serious ideas.
Now we want to hear from you. What's one thing you're changing in your environment this week? Comment below.
And if this video helped, hit that like button. Share it with anyone leveling up their English.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on notifications. We post practical English lessons every day.
We're here to make English learning real, not boring.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Keep reading, keep learning. And
We'll
we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.